You are probably tired of AI that gives brilliant answers, but cannot actually do anything with them. It can write an email, but it cannot send it. It can find the best flight, but it cannot book it. We treated AI like a chatty search engine with a personality. That era is at its limit. I've followed Google's Gemini from the start, and something different is on the horizon. As of today, there is no official model named Gemini 4. But the clues, prototypes, and executive hints point to a fundamental shift. The next step isn't just smarter, it's more capable, crossing from pixels to physical action. From a bot that tells you what to do, to an agent that helps get it done. This changes your phone, your business workflows, and how machines understand the world. Gemini 1 launched with native multimodality, designed to understand text, images, and audio together. Gemini 2 added agentic steps, tool use, small code execution, real calculations. The framework for an AI that could act began to take shape. Then Gemini 3. A new era of intelligence, with PhD-level reasoning on tough benchmarks. It could watch videos and grasp context, not just objects, but what's happening. Gemini 3, Flash became the default. Lightning-fast, adaptive thinking, major upgrade over 2.5 Flash. Efficiency slashed costs, making advanced AI accessible across more products. Multimodality, agentic tools, advanced reasoning, efficiency. Each step a building block for what's next, all fueled by massive compute. With NVIDIA GPUs accelerating training and inference at global scale. The biggest leap we expect, understanding the physical world, not just analyzing a photo, learning physics, space, and cause and effect from video. DeepMind hints, combining Gemini with video models at YouTube scale, millions of hours watched, doors open when pushed, glass breaks when dropped, people walk. The model internalizes real-world priors, translate, bring the red cup from the kitchen, perceive, plan, navigate, grasp, and don't spill. Google's Gemini Robotics 1.5 turns visual understanding into motor commands, thinking before acting. Goal, safe, reliable operation in messy, unpredictable homes, hospitals, warehouses. This bridges digital intelligence and physical action, a profound shift. Scaling these models rides on AI infrastructure. NVIDIA accelerators are central to today's robotics AI stack. An AI agent plans and executes multi-step tasks on your behalf. Gemini 3 can do some of this, often with dev tools. The next gen brings it front and center. Prototype agents observe the web, interpret goals, and act. End-to-end workflows with your approval. Reads your receipt, hires help, schedules a visit, then confirms payment with you. Book me a weekend in Chicago, near Millennium Park, under $300, museum tickets too. It does the bookings. Google calls this agentic commerce, agents that plan, reason, and act as proactive concierges. Google extended the assistant transition into 2026, more time to perfect real agent workflows. Agents anticipate prompts, rescheduling, updating calendars, handling travel changes with minimal input. On the back end, NVIDIA's AI platform powers many agent pipelines, speeding inference across apps. One assistant that handles any input and responds in any medium. Talk to it, show it something. It replies with text, images, audio, even video. On a call, summarize this. It listens, understands, and drafts key takeaways in real time. Sketch a logo. It generates polished versions. Ask for a short explainer. It builds visuals, narration, and music. Behind the scenes, Gemini coordinates specialized models like Imagen, Veo, and Lyria. Project Astra. Cross-device memory. It remembers your style, preferences, and past conversations. No need to repeat yourself. It knows you prefer concise answers and no meetings before 10 a.m. Better context management enables long conversations, instant translations, fluid back-and-forth voice. Custom TPUs and GPU clouds make this feel instantaneous. Gemini 3 is a brilliant analyst. Gemini 4 aims to be a problem-solving agent. Scope moves from digital tasks into the real world. G3 can describe a robot, G4 can guide a robot's actions, G3 analyzes reports, G4 turns insights into drafted emails and scheduled tasks. From reactive to continuously helpful, it flags flight delays and suggests fixes. It picks tools on its own, browser, bookings, calendar, as one fluid process. You set objectives, it handles the steps, less micromanagement, more trust. Premium access tiers like AI Pro and AI Ultra hint at where advanced agent features may land first. Meanwhile, Jensen Huang's NVIDIA continues to power much of the AI ecosystem, enabling this shift. For everyday users, more help, less hassle. A single conversation plans your family trip. For creators, sketch to 3D models, hum to full songs, ideas become outputs faster. For developers, agent APIs enable concierge-like flows in apps and commerce. Powerful agents can make mistakes, wrong bookings, misunderstood clauses, safety, transparency, human oversight, non-negotiable, robust security and bias mitigation, especially with video-scale training data. Beware automated phishing and social engineering. Expect phased releases, trusted tester programs, and strict user permissions. Convenience must never cost safety or privacy. We'll call it Gemini 4 for now, but there's no official model by that name yet. This is the pivot from conversationalist to collaborator, from screen to real life, physical world modeling, autonomous agents, omni-modal interaction. Analysts predict late 2026 for next-gen releases. With features rolling out in stages. Competition, Google, OpenAI, XAI, Anthropic, Meta, pushes AI forward at breathtaking pace. We're not just consumers, we help shape how this is deployed. Demand responsibility. Judge it by reliability, safety and trust, not just raw intelligence. Bottom line, this isn't a smarter chatbot, it's a blueprint for AI that gets things done. Stay curious, stay cautious, watch the guardrails as closely as the demos. Voiceover. In the enterprise, Gemini plugs into CRMs, ERPs, ticketing systems. It retrieves data securely, vector databases, governed access policies, least privilege credentials stored in a vault, event-driven automations kickoff, emails forms, webhooks flowing into defined workflows with human-in-the-loop checkpoints, approvals are captured, timestamps, comments, full audit trails. The result is measurable lift, faster support resolution, tighter finance close cycles, cleaner procurement triage. On-screen, dashboards, pipeline maps, credential governance approval modals, KPI overlay, tickets resolved, Chabra 38% KPI overlay, hours saved, 24% KPI overlay. Cycle time, SHA 31%. On-device inference matters. Privacy preserved at the source. Sub 100 millimeters latency. Resilience when the network drops. NPUs and TPUs on phones, wearables, vehicles. Distilled models tuned for power and memory. The cloud still leads. Larger models. Heavy training. Edge runs the loop. Cloud refines. Real deployments. Factory inspection on the line, retail kiosks answering fast. Field service tablets summarizing jobs, smart fallback, draft offline now, queue deltas, sync and verify on, reconnect. Energy and cost benefits, frequent tasks, run local, fewer round trips, longer battery life. Cloud, edge, continuous sync, version models, graceful degrade by design. Beyond accuracy, we measure reliability, latency SLOs met, cost budgets honored, model drift tracked over time. For high-stakes domains, finance, healthcare, legal, we run scenario tests, red team evaluations, probe edge cases before launch. Every request flows through policy engines, trigger actions, spending limits enforced, data retention windows applied, observability is non-negotiable, traces of prompts, traces of tool calls, traces of approvals for audits, rollouts stay disciplined, canary releases, feature flags, dashboards watch error rates, dashboards watch spend, rollback playbooks snap us back fast when signals spike. Governance isn't a checkbox, it's the control surface, dependable, compliant, ready for real work.